Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we are going to be discussing 4 OTC stocks on the move. They are BRLL Energy, BRLL on the OTC markets, CBD Life Sciences, CBDL on the OTC markets, Minerco, MINE on the OTC markets, and Singlepoint, SING on the OTC markets. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also, go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like MMMEDF at 63 cents, ENZC at a penny and a half, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and TSNP at 0.0069. And with that out of the way, we go over to today's topic. Before we get into the 4 stocks, just want to talk to you a little bit about trading penny stocks. As I've said repeatedly, trading penny stocks, it's not the same as trading blue chips. The key is you have to find momentum before it happens and then be patient. What we look to do here at Insider Financial is position our subscribers before the move happens. We are not day traders. I don't like the intraday moves. I much more prefer the Warren Buffett style of investing. I enjoy researching hundreds of penny stocks each week, looking for the next alert for my subscribers. If you are looking to day trade, Insider Financial is not the place for you. If you are, we recommend the folks over at True Trading Group. There's a link in the description. Mike Edward and the team, he's a former hedge fund trader. They really know what they're doing. They don't cover any OTC. We specialize in OTC, but they don't do any OTC, so it's another avenue for you if you're looking to diversify. They got a lot of educational resources, and they do a lot of option trading, so it's another option for you if you're looking to grow your portfolio, in addition to what some of the alerts that come from insiderfinancial.com. And when it comes to penny stocks, we try to recommend the folks that have lasted the longest in the business. They own a portfolio or a basket of penny stocks. For some, that can be as many as 10 to 20 or more penny stocks. You have to approach it, like you're a venture capitalist. Some of these stocks can go to zero. That's why, trading pennies is different than blue chips. Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, they are not going to go to zero, whereas, pennies can and do. If you approach it like a venture capitalist, you invest across 10 or 20 penny stocks. Some go to zero, some you break even, but there's you get a TSNP or an ALPP. ALPP, some subscribers are up over 9,000%, TSNP over 19,000%. I mean, these are just monster gains. So you get 1 or 2 like this, they more than make up for any of the losers. So, this is the way we recommend, approaching the penny market. But again, as I said at the beginning, I am not a financial advisor. And, when it comes to OTC versus big board penny stocks, there's always a bull market somewhere. We feel it's important for penny stock investors to trade both OTC and NASDAQ or NYSE. This gives you flexibility to trade all markets. We really hate when, investors pigeonhole themselves into a corner and say, oh, I only trade OTC or I only trade big board pennies. If you do that, you're going to miss a lot of opportunities. For instance, last year, the first half, it was much more profitable to trade NASDAQ pennies than OTC. And this is where we were positioned, and our subscriber capture runs in SRNE, NEO, INO, IBIO, WKHS, and many others. Then once the summer came, many of these COVID runners failed to find momentum, and we pivoted to OTC and caught runs in TSNP, ENZC, MMMEDF, and many others. And so far this year, it's best to play as both OTC and NASDAQ NYSE. There's no shortage of multi-baggers in both markets. You saw the Wall Street Bets Reddit groups. They squeezed AMC, Express. And then OTC right now is absolutely on fire. This is just yesterday. ABEPF was up over 400%. MINE, which we're going to cover today, is up over 200%. CELZ up 159%. CBDL, which we're going to cover, up 135%. HQGE up over 88%, but this has just been a huge runner. AFOM is running 87%, VSYM up 87%, DGIF up 83%, ISWH up 72%, BRLL, which we're going to cover today, made new highs, up 62%. So it's just been incredible on the OTC, what happened in January and February. It's just everything is going up, and it's amazing. It's a great opportunity, and this is why right now you want to be fully invested. Again, it's my opinion, because when markets are running like this, you want to fully take advantage of it. We recommend, booking profits at, you'll never go broke taking a profit. But again, it's hard to make the case for pulling money off the table when everything keeps running. So it's an incredible time to be an investor, and, take advantage of it while we can, because, these markets never last. I've been doing this 30 years. I've seen bull, bear markets. We are right now in an incredible bull market. Guys, make as much money as you can, bank it, and, wait for, the dips. So moving on, OTC stock number one is BRLL. We talked about BRL last month before the first spike higher, which you can read here. We said that, BRLL was a ground floor opportunity, and it still sports just an $83 million market cap. And what we really like about BRLL, it's the same folks behind ABML are involved with BRLL. The CEO of BRLL Energy, Craig Alford, he was also the founder of ABML, and ABML has been a huge winner for Insider Financial subscribers. We first told subscribers about ABML when it was under 6 cents a share. Subscribers are now up over 6,000%. So it's just been an incredible run, and hats off to anyone that caught these moves. BRLL, they just announced they opened a research and technology center in Las Vegas. This facility will strengthen BRLL's green energy initiatives. And right now, BRLL is focused on lithium, particularly lithium-ion battery supply chain, and with everything that's going on with the EV market, this is the fastest growing sector of the automobile space. So right now, this is the space you want to be in. Democrats control both houses of Congress. Joe Biden's in the White House, so we see this sector continuing to benefit. And then when you look at BRLL, it only has an $83 million market cap. And then ABML, you look at what the stock has done, it now has a $2 billion market cap. So On BRLL, they get the stop sign off, clean the filings. This thing can really take off. stock number 2 is CBDL. CBDL was in the triple zeros until December when the company started dropping some big PRs. We profiled it back then in December as well. And CBDL, it proved it. This is a classic example, as I try to say. If you miss these moves and you really like these stocks, be patient. Wait for the dip. CBDL gave you that opportunity. You got the big spike last December, but then you got the huge retracement. Came all the way down to 0.001. You could have loaded up here and then caught the run again. And, it's important, a good story stock like CBDL, we see a lot of runs. There will be a lot of spikes in a stock like this. So, that's why it pays to, buy dips and be patient. We really don't recommend anyone chasing these moves. Because, there's nothing worse than buying at the top and then, seeing the market drop and then, do you average down? What do you do? And it's stressful. So, just look to play dips and, be patient on any of your plays. And right now, CBDL, this is a play on cannabis in Arizona. The Arizona State Legislature just approved cannabis for recreational use, and CBDL is in talks to lease a farm and grow cannabis. And there's also its wholly owned subsidiary is LBC Bioscience, which is a CBD company. They're rolling out new products, including a new pain relief roll-on. They also have a 100 milligram CBD bath bomb, CBD flower, CBD hemp smokes, 1,500 milligram premium berry drops, 100 milligram CBD tablets, and CBD gumballs. Other items for sale include CBD pain cream, CBD oils, and CBD pet treats. We see CBDL as having more gas in the tank to run. It's just under a penny, and its market cap is just $41 million. So right now it's a hot sector, and I think we're going to see more investors looking for these penny plays in the CBD and cannabis space. Moving on, number 3 is MINE. This is another one we profiled in December when it was running up the charts. Just like CBDL, this one rewarded those that bought the dip. And what's exciting about mine is that's a play on the two of the hottest sectors right now: psychedelics or magic mushrooms, and blockchain and Bitcoin. MINE just signed a joint venture with PSYC, another magic mushroom play. This JV will create an opportunity for the companies to collaborate. Additionally, the JV allows for PSYC to serve as a digital marketing partner for MINE. So MINE is getting ready to move its products to market. So it's making a lot of moves. In terms of the crypto sphere, Mine's token SHRU or SHRU, it's looking to be a payment gateway to buy cannabis and psilocybin utilizing blockchain. The company is also developing a private label debit card, allowing Minerco's cryptocurrencies to be used at any ATM, in shops, and on online merchants. The SHRU token is already on 7 exchanges and working to integrate on additional ones. And, right now, with Tesla buying $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, it always happens, these penny stocks that are ancillary plays on crypto, they benefit. So we're seeing another spike higher, and as long as Bitcoin can keep running, mine will continue to benefit. Lastly, OTC stock number 4 is SING, or Singlepoint, and this is another one. It's benefiting from the Democrats taking control of the House, Senate, and White House. It's a solar play. And Joe Biden is definitely looking to move away from fossil fuels and towards alternative energy. And its majority-owned subsidiary is Singlepoint Direct Solar of America. It's focused on providing renewable energy solutions to consumers and small businesses, and it's already grown to 38 states in the U.S. With its initial focus on solar energy SING is looking at additional opportunities, including energy storage, charge points for EVs, and solar as a subscription. As the president of Singlepoint said, 2021 is poised to be a transformational year for Singlepoint. Our team continues to build momentum and execute on the strategic objectives set out in front of us, which include uplisting, growing its position in the renewable energy sector, and driving shareholder value. And we're already seeing the company doing now. It settled the remaining balance of the convertible secured note agreements with Iliad Trading Company and UAHC Ventures, which eliminate all external debt conversions. The elimination of the remaining balance removes future conversions under the note and removes all derivative or toxic debt from the company's balance sheet. So anyone new to OTC stocks knows toxic debt is toxic. This is what destroys OTC stocks and drives them to zero. So it's basically a financier loans money to the company. They convert the stock to stock, the note to stock at fractions of a penny. They get that free trading paper, and then they just hit the bid and flood the market with shares. So that's when shares are flooding the market, that's the worst thing that can happen to a penny stock investor. So they're making the right moves, and anytime an OTC stock cleans up its balance sheet, it's good. It's always good news, and this is why we're seeing SING running. And the bottom line is, right now, these 4 penny stocks are hot right now. There's always opportunities in the markets, and we're always looking for the next hot runners. That's what we do here at Insider Financial. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. After you enter your email, there is an option. If you are in the U.S., you can sign up with your U.S. mobile. If you are outside the U.S., it does not work. Our service provider only allows U.S. numbers, but don't worry, you will still get our email alerts. And with that said, guys, wish everyone luck this week. Let's keep making this money in the OTC. Stay safe with COVID, wear a mask, social distance. Hopefully this pandemic is over soon. Let's just get through this, and hopefully 2021 is as good of a year financially as 2020 was, but let's hope it's a much better one in terms of COVID and getting back to normal. Thank you, everyone, for watching, subscribing, listening. It means the world to me, and I'll be coming soon to you with a new video shortly. So one other thing, we only offer the free service. There is no paid service. So if anyone on Twitter is telling you we offer paid service, we do not. So we've been notified some fake Twitter accounts. Don't fall for any of that. We never ask for money or offer a paid service. So our service is always free. Our site is free. Our emails are free. So make sure you are signed up. If you want to communicate with us directly, it's go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Thanks again, everyone, and be coming soon with a new video shortly. Thank you. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.